Hi, and welcome to a short video that I've put together for you to give you a quick tour of the Calculator app in your OneLaunch desktop search application. So first and foremost, where do you find the Calculator app? Please follow my mouse up to your OneLaunch Dock located at the top of your computer screen and click the gray plus icon where if you hover over it, it says additional apps. Oh, I just got a prompt there for feedback. I'm going to close that, re-click the plus icon for additional apps, and up opens the OneLaunch apps library. You've got all sorts of apps to choose from and add to your OneLaunch Dock to use to help you out each and every day on your computer. So the Calculator app is in the top row. It is 6 to the right, and let's click it to pin it to your OneLaunch Dock. We can close the OneLaunch apps library now, and then now you'll see the very obvious calculator icon. When I hover over it, it says calculator. If you right click it, you're able to show a label. Oh, I think we are running out of space. Let me remove Facebook and YouTube. Now you can see that the calculator label is actually there as well. But if you don't want the label, you can hide it. It's pretty obvious, the icon itself. Now to use it, simply click it. Once we click it, the Calculator app UI user interface drops down from your OneLaunch Dock, and you can see we built a calculator immediately here for you. So there is a calculator with Windows, but this is yet another great option, always pinned and present for you at the top of your dock for very quick access to your basic calculations. So like any calculator, just click the numbers. 8 times 5 equals is 40. 90 divided by 6 equals is 15. Clear with the C, etc. So a very basic calculator that you can use quickly and immediately. Close to get out of it, click it, you're right back. And then we've gone ahead and we've pre-pinned a bunch of quick links to miscellaneous calculators that you might need, maybe not daily like a basic calculator, but often. So we haven't built these for you, we've just linked you to websites on the web that will help you get what you need in terms of currency conversions, unit conversions, loan calculators, miscellaneous calculators, body mass index calculator, personal finance calculator, and more. So let's just take a look at a few. Currency conversion, we just linked to XE for their currency converter, and you're able to go from any currency to another. Going back, let's check out unit conversions, convertworld.com, all sorts of quick conversion calculators. Currencies, length, volume, speed, area, mass. Going back to the app, you can see here we've got a body mass index calculator. You're able to enter everything and put in your weight and height in inches and calculate. And one last time, let's check out miscellaneous calculators. So at calculatestuff.com, mortgage calculators, auto loan, BMI, compound interest, ovulation, markup, like absolutely tons of options from that miscellaneous calculator link. So that's really it. That is the calculator app in OneLaunch. We hope it's handy. We hope it's easy to find. We hope it links you to all sorts of relevant calculators based on that thing that you need often or as a one-off. We hope we definitely have you covered for all your calculation needs. Thank you very much for watching, and as always, if you have any feedback for us, ideas for other apps, or ideas for ways to improve the calculator app, please email us at support@onelaunch.com. Thanks for watching.